Something that really kind of separates us from the herd of other aviation programs is that we are small. What that allows me to do is make sure that the staff that I have is pretty much the cream of the crop. We can actually train the instructors up to an even better standard than are even required by the FAA. Dominic Libera, our chief flight instructor, that's pretty much a true testament. Dom got all his ratings from Lynn, got both his undergraduate and graduate MBA from Lynn, and has worked his way up through the ranks as a flight instructor for us.
One of the reasons I chose Lynn because I wanted to have a slight business background in there so that you kind of have that little bit of a foundation so that if you end up not being a pilot, you can easily go into the aviation management. The actual flight instruction is all done one-on-one. We do a lot of different training that most schools don't do. For example, we still do complex trainings, and that's in the Beechcraft Bonanza or the Diamond Twin Star. Florida is a great place to learn how to fly, but it doesn't have a lot of the obstacles and hazards that the rest of the world does, such as mountainous areas and icing conditions.
So with our Redbird AATD, we can actually put a person in Vail in the middle of a snowstorm trying to get into a valley at minimum visibility, so that can be their first time, where if something goes awry, we can hit the pause button and we can figure out what's going on, and they can get good at that kind of stuff before they leave. So it really kind of fills a huge gap in training that most flight schools don't have the ability to fill.
Lynn University has an amazing flight school. You know, they'll work with you every step of the way. They understand that flying is something that needs to be taken very seriously. They are going to make sure that you are 100% ready and kind of progress you or send you on to the next step.
I'm an aviation management major, so I'm taking some business courses along with some aeronautical courses as well, so it's a good mix between the two. But my overall experience at Lynn has been awesome. The instructors seem like they really care about how the students do. They always put their students first no matter what.
My instructors have had a big influence on my life. The connection that they have to the career office gets you internships, gets you jobs, you know, and especially when they have the career fair every year where different companies come, and so you can talk to them, you know.
Being a student here at Lynn, flying in a Class Delta airspace, you definitely get real-world experience. Being in a busy airport, you definitely become a better pilot because you have a totally different experience from like other students who are just flying in a non-controlled airspace with just small aircrafts who doesn't have to worry about vertices and stuff like that.
And one of the criteria the FAA uses to measure a flight school's success is what's called the check ride pass rate. And that's when the student gets ready to go to a rating or a license, they have to fly an FAA check ride. The minimum required to keep your certificate is 80%. In my 20 years, we've never been below 95%. Our last check ride pass rate was 98%. I think that's probably the single best measure of the quality of training that a student is getting is the check ride pass rate. And having it consistently above 95%, I think really kind of sets us apart from most flight schools. Just like the rest of Lynn, we are an all iPad training organization. All of our training is all on the iPad. It's all digital. The students actually take the iPads into the airplanes to go flying with them. Our non-flyers are actually going through the same flight ground schools that our flyers do, so that they can understand no matter what they do in the aviation industry, it all comes back down to airplanes are moving. So everybody has to kind of walk the walk and talk the talk.
The biggest advantage of iPads is that, first of all, it's the full flight app that we use for flying, which gives you the weather, the airport diagram. Everything related to flying is in that app. And we have the Stratus, that's like a Wi-Fi in the plane, so we get real-time weather and real-time GPS points that where we are, so we know where we are, you know. And you can pull up any airport diagram, there are taxiways, there anything related to any airport that you want to go to, you can get it on the iPad.
We're constantly looking and assessing what's going on in the aviation industry and what's going on with the advancements of avionics. We've increased the size of our fleet to better service our students. We've also upgraded the avionics in the airplanes to have the latest digital kind of avionics, so we're trying to stay one step ahead of what the industry is doing.
Being here at Lynn is like you're living your dream. You're in college, but you're definitely having fun because you leave the work on campus and you just come here to the airport, you hop into a plane, you're in the sky. It's like you're studying, but you're actually living your dream.
I definitely feel like Lynn has benefited me in many ways. I really could not have asked for a better program.